He's too small. Hey guys, Xander here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Javi again, fishing at our favorite spot by my neighborhood here in North Miami Beach. Gonna be fishing the canals over here in Miami Beach and seeing what bites today. We've had a bit of a cold front again today. The weather's dropped to as low as 56 degrees Fahrenheit today, and we have a bit of a nice breeze down the canals here. So we'll see what bites. Javi was kind enough to go ahead and get us some more live shrimp bait and mullets. Not much, but hey, we'll see what it is. It's a nice, beautiful, brisk afternoon here in Miami Beach, so we'll see what we can catch.
A few moments later.
I sure did. I sure did. I think he's good. Alright, moment of truth. How big is he? Nine, yeah. Back you go, me boy. So I was able to snag a mangrove snapper right down the channel, the bridge over there. Gonna close out the day over here at our spot before sunsets. So hopefully I can grab something else to bite. And we'll see what else I can catch with the leftover shrimp we got. Javi doesn't have any more weight, so it's all on me. I'm flying solo. Took half, yeah, chomped half of it off. Oh, we got something. Let's go. Fish on. Woo! Ah. All right. Yo, Javi. I think I got your title as Mangrove Snapper King.
Yeah.
He's big. Yo, I'm killing it.
You got a filet in it? Oh no, I got one.
Yeah,
he's a keeper. He's a keeper, 100%.
What do we got?
Yeah, he's past that, bro. Well, yeah, he's 10 and a half, bro.
Nice. Let's go.
Unhook them, leave them there. I'll get them.
Come on, come on, come on. Take it, take it. Yeah, here we go. Oh, I think he got the shrimp clean off. Oh, no, nope. Yeah. That was a lot of movement. I think they picked that shrimp clean. Oh. He's too small. Oh no. Yeah, he's a tiny guy. He was busy nibbling on that shrimp. Want me to grab him? There he goes. Oh, there you have it. Javi went ahead and filleted our prize fish. Super excited to throw this sucker in the oven. See what kind of spices we got. To the victor goes the spoils of war, right, Javi?
Yep.
Yeah.
And,
So
thanks for Wildlife for providing the meat, Mother Nature, good old Mother Nature.
Yeah. Always a blessing to have food in the house, that's for sure. Anyway, yeah, I guess I'll show you guys the end product at the end of this video. Let's see if we die tonight. If our audience knows how we mysteriously died.
Ooh.
Dude, yeah.
We just,
Alright, well, it's not the prettiest, but food is food.
I'll take this one with the least amount. Molto bene.
Yeah? Alright, here we go. Moment of truth.
So good.
This is really good. That's it from here, guys. I'm Xander.
Lians.
We'll catch you all on the wild side.